2021 Toyota Tacoma. I'm doing the fog light replacement. This one right here. So yeah, this is a Tacoma. It's a 2021, the TRD one, 4x4. They're probably most likely all the same though. Here's my Toyota bulb number. Links in description for parts. This is what the bulb looks like. H16. I'll link it in the description for to get on Amazon and get it. And let's see. So what you want to do is, the best way to get this, the most non-intrusive way, is just through the side right here. We want to take 2 screws out and then that 1 clip, and we're going to push the fender well to the side and then reach in there and get it. So first get this 10mm screw out right here, and then this little clip, you just rotate this till it's vertical, the line, or until you hear it kind of like unlock. And then you just get your flathead or whatever you got, and then just get behind it and pop it out. Not really the best, strongest clip, but you know, we'll set that aside for now. And then there's you could try to pry it or try to get the fender well out of the way, but it's still too kind of stiff. But if you look in there, you can kind of see it's terrible. Let's get this 10mm screw out right here. Once I got this out, I was able to get a lot more of the fender well pulled back easier. And then there is the fog light housing. So basically we're just going to reach in here and disconnect the connector. There's a little button on the bottom. That little button, you just push your thumb right there and pull it off. Try not to pull it by the wires. And then we're going to rotate this towards the engine, towards the left. It'll unlock it. And then we can just remove the bulb. Okay. Here's the bulb. There's the old one. And it was kind of burnt out. It's kind of weird. So with your new one, you're going to have 2 tabs on the bottom and like a fatter tab on the top. The fatter tab goes on like kind of the 11 o'clock position. So you're going to put it in kind of like this way, pointing towards the upper engine, and then you'll rotate it to the right, and then it should lock in place. It could be kind of stubborn to like get the tabs lined up. So if you're having like issues, you know, be patient. Make sure after you got it tight that it's not going to come out at all. Sometimes it'll seem like it's tight, but it's not. After you get it tight, you push your connector on, just push it straight up, it'll lock into place. And then we'll pull our hand out, and then just getting the fender well back into place is the next thing. But before we do that, let's turn the fog lights on. Okay, it works great. I don't know why it burnt out so soon on 2021, guys, but we're just replacing it. Now, what you want to do is push the fender well behind the bumper as much as you can. Look on the other side a lot if you need reference, but it needs to go behind, and then you need to push everything back to where it was. Now, here's on the right side. Here's what it looks like. Just push everything back to where it was. On the bottom here, make sure the bumper gets pushed back into that clip and everything lines up good. You don't want to leave your fender well loose because your wheel could catch it, or your tire, and it'll rip it out, and it's a big mess. Just get it back secured as best as possible. And that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap. They don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up. And these are available on Amazon as well, but if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar, it's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic Mechanic Bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.
You're pretty good.